Hey everybody, I'm going to show you a little trick on how to roll up your extension cords and air hoses coming up. Alright, so you've seen it. People would take your extension cord and they do this, hold their arm up, and they do this right here. Right? Don't do that. Don't do that. For one, it makes a really small bundle, and it's aggravating to hang. Secondly, it'll end up twisting your cord, your wires inside of your cord, and then it'll get that, weird wiggly thing, and don't nobody want that. So what you're going to do, you're going to already have him stretched out most likely because you've been using him. So you take him, one end, stretch your arms, and as you stretch, you roll, just like that, and form something of a loop, like so. Stretch it, and then that way you're making good loops all around the same size because your arms are the same length every time you pull them out. But secondly, it'll keep from widening your wires up inside of your extension cord. And then after time, doing it a little bit, you just get used to it to where, it's just second nature. And when you wind him up, and see, I'm rolling him. Every time I pull him, I'm twisting him right here. And then you end up with this, which is easy to hang. Second, so that's extension cords. With air hoses, it matters even more. I mean, not in the sense it's going to tear anything up, but air hoses, if you don't roll them good, they twist them. You don't twist them good when you're rolling it up, then it get all wonky easily. And it's the same thing. You take him and you kind of flop him, but you want to stretch him completely out because usually they're a little tougher, more rigid than an extension cord. So you want to flop him, and then you get a nice loop. I didn't stretch mine completely out, but you want to, when you roll him, try to roll the whole cord away from you, the other end that you're not holding. There you go. Nice rolled up. Now what I like to do, actually, the Rapid system of cord holders, I don't know if you've seen them. I have one moment. These guys, they're the Rapid storage systems, and all they are essentially is just a little piece of Velcro. But after you get him looped up like you want him, just run him around like so. Tighten him up, and that way when you hang him up, he ain't going nowhere. He ain't going to unwind and fall all over the ground and you'd be all mad and stuff like that. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this little trick helps you to organize your shop, because if you'll notice in any of my videos, mine is not. Either way, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep making dust.